So we are starting from 2020. So we want 5 years of data. And why we want 5 years of data is because in those 5 years, price has been in the uptrend on a longer time frame. So we know for a fact that we had this gold rally, and then for 10 years it was sideways. So now it has given a breakout, and probably it will give a breakout here for in 2 years, and in 6 years we would have, in 5 years we would be at around. So trend is positive overall. Okay, so we would be backtesting in a uptrending market. So let's see daily charts, and we would be trading on 15 minute and 1 minute. So we don't require a daily candle to, like, okay. So yeah, so we would be testing this on 15 minutes, where we will be marking the area zones where we think price can come, and we would be looking for buys. And let's see. This also looks kind of, if it taps here, we small buys can be made. And not maybe here, but here. So it took support from this. Okay, because price is in a good uptrend, so it took support from this, but we were waiting for this to be tapped. This thing, we were waiting, same similar situations. See, this is a Superman candle, this is a Superman candle, maybe this, but this looks good. So if this would have been formed here, we would have taken a buy right above this, but we missed. Doesn't matter, we would again look for a buys above on this. Okay, so we just need 1:3. We will be taking 1:3 only. Okay, so again we did the same mistake. Okay, what mistake? As in this case, we took this as a support. We were supposed to take this as a support, but we took this. In this situation also, we were supposed to take this as a support, but we took this. So it doesn't matter, price needs to come to a place. No need to hurry. It's just been 4 days. Okay. No trade till now. And also we can't create trades out of thin air. Okay. That is not we do. That is not what we do. Okay. We wait patiently for price to come to our zones and then we buy. So this was inverse head and shoulder. It broke this with a huge candle, and let's see what it do next. We want, yeah. So now what will you do? So I would be happy waiting for this if it has tapped on that price. I'd be waiting for, so this, look at this. This is not a good point to buy, especially on this. So I would be very much happy if I buy, if I get a price on 1546 levels. I would be very happy to buy from here. Okay. So let's see, wait. So what it can do is it can tap this, and so we could also plan a short from here, but this is not we are going to do now. If it taps here, I think I can plan a short. Okay, let's see, because bias has shifted downwards. Okay, this has given a chalk. This is not a chalk, but still I would consider it. Okay, so it has not given us an entry here. Doesn't matter. So will you consider a buy here? I would not. I want price to come here. Okay. Will you consider a buy? No, I want price to come here. So now price is approaching your value zone. Okay. Okay. Now what will you do? So I would wait patiently for price to turn up. Okay. I would wait. What is the time now? Okay, it's late in the night. Let's see how price behaves. So yeah, this is my buying candle. So if I get a small retracement here, I would buy immediately, but I should have bought above this candle, but still I would wait for this 50%. Okay, I would wait at this 50% and I would keep an SL of 1 point and target of 3 points. Why God, 3 points. Okay then. Okay, so we are filled. We are in the trade. Okay. We are in the trade. So let's see where it goes. So now price has given us a direction like where it wants to go. So it can be a profit booking as well, but let's see where this price go. That was a good area zone, to be honest. So what we can do is we can do, if price goes 1:1, we would be doing a break even. Okay, so 1:1 is done, I guess. Yeah, so we would break this trade to break even. Okay, we will trail our stop loss to break even. So let's see where it goes. Okay, so now price has approached our this thing. Yeah, so this is a TP. Okay, this is a TP. So how should I track this? I should do this, copy image, and I should put this. This is Linux shops. Okay. All right. I want a new sheet. To this. We can do this. All right. Let's go to da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, okay. Let's just do this. This was the trade. We will copy this image and come here, paste it. Okay, but I think that would be very good. Was a good trade. See, how should I do all this? I need a proper good structure where my efforts are worth it. I don't want like okay, it was a good trade. I waited. Let's move on. Oh, whoa. What is this? What the heck is this? In just 5 minute candle. Yeah. Poorly done. This is the biggest candle of like for years. Okay, so we got this range. Now I want a buy on not this, but this liquidity. There's this liquidity, and there is. Mm, can rest. How does 15 minutes look? 15 minutes look good, but 5 minutes look. Yeah, 5 minutes look this. So what can price do is what we have seen in the previous series. So we would be waiting here patiently, but what price can do is price can take support from here, can go up and take this liquidity and then come back. So this is what price can do. Okay, it can tap on this, it can go above this, take this liquidity, and then it can fall to this, and from here on it will proceed further. Okay, so we will be waiting patiently. What price do we got? Two zones on a daily zone. Okay, we can mark this, but better if we mark this. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, so it has also created another zone. So we got three FPG levels, fair value cap. Okay, so now it is approaching one, so it will react, and it has reacted, but it should have tapped here. It's still fill cap, so this is not interesting. Okay, so it broke, it has not respected this, but whenever it does this, when this is not respecting, when this is not respecting the FVG, it always respects when it is this will all, I have seen many times that this gets respected when it's moving downwards. Okay, so we could have shorted here for this. Okay, we could have done this $1, and we could have given this 2.5, so 3. Okay, we could have done something like this. Okay. So now it is coming, but initially our zone is this one. So if we do this and this, then we can short from here. Okay, but this also looks good to me, but this is the main. We would be planning to buy here. Okay, we will be planning to buy here. If it breaks in one candle, we are not going to do anything. So again, we can take a fresh shot from this position. Do you want to take a short position from here? What do you think? Will you take a short position from here? I would. Okay, will you take now? Yes, I would take a short position. Okay, as this candle has closed, I want one. Yeah, yeah, 1 point. I am targeting this, so accordingly I would put my SL. So if I get this is 3, 1:3. If I get this, that is 1:8. Okay, so I'll stick to 1:3. All right, this looks good. So yeah, we got our target. Okay, we got our target. So I should copy the image and put it in this straight V. Also, if I could copy the link, copy link for better clarity. Okay, and this one is three. Let us see. Wait. Right. And so now we are waiting for this. Again, you can do is what you can do is if it breaks below this, then we can take a shot from here. Okay. Have you just a minute? Have you deleted the recent? Yeah, not wait. First one was this, second one was this. Okay. All right. So what we want is if it would have given this, if it would have broken this and it would have retested this, we could have shorted again at this level. But we can also sell from here also. But we have already taken trade. We would be waiting for a good opportunity. Selling, I don't consider selling at this kind of a buying. Okay. But still we can. But we'll be very cautious. Okay. Okay. Will you sell here? Because this bias has still been not done. I would consider selling, but I would not. Okay. Selling, we will be looking very. Will you consider this a sell? No. Absolutely no. Will you consider this? We have missed. Never mind. It doesn't matter. We will be selling now. If it breaks down here, comes back here, then we can sell. So now it looks good. It should come here. It should take this low, then it should come back here, then we can plan to sell. Okay. Yeah. Has it broken? Nodes? It has not. I wanted this to break, but let's see. Okay, now is this taken the liquidity of, yeah, now it has taken liquidity. Now I want this to come to this level, then we can take a shot. But wait. What was our initial plan? Our initial plan was to buy from here, buy from here, buy from here, and buy from here. So what did price did? What price did was it came here, it took support, it broke this, and it retested. Okay, we could have sold here, but we missed this thing. Then again it came, we sold here, we took a short position, we exited at 3 hour. Then again it came back. If it broke above, so it again respected this, again came back, broke. So now if it comes, I wanted price to, it is good actually, but I also want to penetrate it little. So if it goes here, I would definitely short. Okay, let's see what price do now next. So if it goes, yes, 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 this is perfect condition to short. Okay, I would definitely short if there's any negative candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is, oh my god, I missed this. I was waiting for this, and I could have shorted on this negative candle, but doesn't matter. Be calm, composed. What is it? We could have given, but still. Never mind. Never mind. It might give you next opportunity. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. So why this candle and why this buying? So I will be, will you consider next sell from here? Let's see what it has to offer. I would sell at this level, that is for sure. I would not compromise. Okay, I would not compromise on that. I would definitely sell at this level only, nothing else. Yeah. Wait. Now what? So this candle has broken. If it forms very negative candle here, I would be selling on that candle. Okay, no. So no selling. We have changed the structure. Market structure has changed. So if it forms, let's see two more candles. Okay. Will you short? No reason to short here. Now we are in the buying zone above this. Okay, if it goes below, then market structure has been. So now we will be buying at these levels. Okay, we would be buying at these levels. All right. Okay, so I want a good tap. Okay, yeah, it has done a tap. Now I want okay, now I want, will you buy? Still not convincing because this is pending. So I'll probably wait. Okay. Okay. If it breaks above this, let's just wait. Okay. So will you buy? I would buy here, but doesn't matter. It has to come back again at this level. Then we can consider it a buy. Okay. Okay. We missed. We were supposed to buy at this levels, but we missed. Sometimes you need to take risk, but never mind. You can't have all the, कभी कभी कुछ छूट जाता है. What they say is can't have all the things. Yeah, now this looks perfect to me. I would definitely be looking to buy here. Okay, so this has taken this liquidity. Okay. So still not convincing, but still I would comes back. So according to this, okay, this price action, this is kind of a head and shoulder, and if this breaks, we are definitely going to get this. Okay, we are definitely going to get this if this things breaks, because this has taken this liquidity, and yes, this liquidity, and now I'm not going to buy from this, even though I was interested here, but I'm not interested here by looking at this price action. Will you short? No, I can't just sell anywhere. Okay, will you? No. Okay, so now let's see. Okay. Uh, this was this. So again, head and shoulder. This is preparing for this. This is on a 15-minute. If you see, this is preparing itself to get this. This line. Not interested in buying. I can sell this if it breaks this low and taps this. Yeah, it broke. I can look to sell now. Yes, now this is a good candle. So what can I do is I will be selling at this tap and target for this. So this setup can work now. Okay, now it looks good. If it taps here, I would be interested to sell. Okay, I would be interested to sell at, if it forms a negative candle, I would be selling here. Is there any liquidity upper? No. So I would be selling here on a negative candle. Let's go. Okay, okay, seems good. If it forms a negative candle here, I would be selling here. Okay, please don't dump. Okay, okay. Yes, we are in a short position. Short. I would have sold here, but I am like little bit, I am learning to be conservative, so I would be selling somewhere here, and SL of 1 point with the target of 3. Okay, I want this history to be in mind. Okay, so yeah, 1:3, and I could hold till 1:5, 1:4. Okay, but conservative 1:3, I'm good. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. So what do you think I should have, if I would have done this and this? 1:3. This would I would survived, but I would not do such kind of thing. I would be sticking to this. Okay, and let's journal this trade. Copy image. All right, so we'll see. So now we will be buying at this levels. Okay. Yeah. Now is the time. I think you should copy this. Even though you got an SL, if you could have placed SL better, you could have got this points. Okay. So I think you should copy this image. Copy this image and put it in this delete free and copy link and this. Okay. This looks good. So I want price to come here. Okay. Okay. So what is it that you want to do now? Will you wait for this to tap and then you can sell again, or would you want this and then this? Okay, so now two scenarios. If price can do this and this and this, not this, but actually it can do something this and this, or it can do this and this. Okay. So what price wants to do? Let's see. Okay. Where price wants to go? So this will be an interesting point. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. This looks interesting. Tabs it can go. Okay. Now this looks good. If it taps here, will you buy? See, this is kind of a wait for a minute. Okay. So this kind of a setup is, so when you are waiting for this, okay, when you're waiting for this, what was your initial plan? Initial plan was we would be waiting for this to happen or this to happen, and we would be buying here. If it breaks this, we would be buying here. If it takes this first, then we would be selling here. So that was our initial plan. And as price moves around 3 hours, your plan changes. 3.5, 4 hours, your plan changes, and you decided to buy here. for the target of this. Okay, so what will you do to your original plan that you have already planned for, that you will be going to trade? I'm just going to uh, pass. This looks good to me. I think I'm going to buy, but this there's some, if suppose if it, this looks very good to me, man. I want to buy here. Okay, let's go and buy. I want this to be taken out, and I won't be risking 1 point, and I want 3 points. It's okay, 1:3. So if I want this, I can go with extra 1:3. Okay, and look, only and only if it breaks. Okay, so we'll just check if it breaks or not. Okay, will you still be interested? I would not be interested. So this is the trade where we didn't got entry. Okay, we didn't got entry. So I know for like this is not the plan, and even if you would have got an entry here, I think 1:1, and then we would have given SL. So it was a good decision to wait for price to go and come to our levels. So we'll just delete this. Okay. So what will you do when price comes to this? Will you short here to get this liquidity? I think I can, but I am not sure. Like I'm not confident enough to sell there. Okay. Okay. Will you sell here? Mm. If it takes this. Will you sell here? Okay, so we on 6th of January 2020 we got 3 trades. That's interesting. Okay, so let's see. Quite excited to short here, but I'll just pass. So this is not getting respected. Yeah, it might respect. If it has not given respect, it might give it a respect here. But there are liquidity pending. There are pending liquidities. Okay, so not thinking of buying here. Let me just check in 15 minutes. It's been 2 days. I've not checked 15 minutes. Okay. So our plan is intact. We would be selling here. Initial plan, we would be sticking to our plans. Okay. So let's see. It can tap and go above. Very much it can do. But it has not given a tap. So that means it wants to break. Okay, that was a good tap, but not a good tap. Good tap is when the price comes to a zone. So it has not came. So now it is going to come. Okay. We are still waiting for this to come. Yeah. Now this is a good tap, and it is a good bounce. but we are not interested. We will be following our initial counts only. Initial plan. Okay, either it can come here also, but this can come. This can come all the way here or here. If it breaks this, it come all the way. But I don't think it will come back here. If it wants to come here, it has to take and tap this level. Then it can come here. But from here on, it I don't think it will do something like that. Let's wait. Okay, that was small. Okay. I forgot this. That was a tap on this and then it fall. Okay, so it did respect it. I was telling you that it is not respecting this, but it did respect it, and wow. Okay, so now it should respect. So what you can do is when you draw this, it should be internal. So for internal, I think internal supply and demand. Okay, supply and demand. Save internal supply and demand, and I want this to be. So this looks good. Okay, right? What happened? So whenever there will be an internal, I will be marking with this, so it will be evident. Okay. Okay. So that was internal, that was internal, that was internal. This is good. This is good. Okay. These two are good. This was internal. This was good. Okay. So yeah, this is good. Let's see. Okay. So now I am interested. Okay. Wait. This looks good. Okay, this looks good. I am planning to I wanted to short this, but थोड़ा सा ऊपर चला जाता भाई, इसको टैप कर देता यार. Okay, 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 okay. Did it tap? I just want the confirmation. Did it tap? Okay, now looks good to me. I can short. I can short, and I am shorting this thing. Okay, I am shorting this thing at this level. Never short on a buying position. Buying, I would be waiting for one candle. Okay, just one negative candle. Okay, I am short. I am short here. Okay, and I would be putting my SL above this. Wait, what is your target? Is this your target? No, I want to get out quickly. I can't wait over whole day. So put this. I don't want to wait so long. This will okay then. 1 is 2, 3 is somewhere here. So let's do this then. Okay, let's do. Are you sure? Okay, I'm sure. Let's do this. Okay, we had also this rule that if price goes 1:1, we would be break even. Okay, 2.26, 2.2, 2.26 is here. So we would be doing break even at this level. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So this is a good asset. Okay. This is a good asset. Okay. Just wait. Yeah, good asset. We. I could have avoided this. I could have avoided this. But never mind. Oh my God, your initial plan was for this, okay? And price didn't tap, but this was your plan, actual plan, that you would be selling here, not here, but that was internal structure I wanted to trade, but this was the higher time frame, probably 5 or 15 minutes, I think. Yes, 15 minutes. Okay, never mind. We would get another opportunity, I guess. I don't think we might get we might get, if this goes directly to this, we would be shorting 100%. Yes, yes, yes. This is what I wanted. I want this to be tapped. Okay, yeah. Now will you short? Yes, I am shorting this thing. I would be shorting this at this. So okay, let it be here. Okay, and I would be putting my, so where will you put your SL? Okay, so I think can just take SL and breach, but I would short here 100%. That was our actual plan, to sell here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is good tap, but let's see. Oh, do we have a 1:1? Let's check. What's this? So this is the price for a break-even SL. So let's see. Okay, so now we are, we can break even this trade. Will you break even? Now is the question. I think I would break even this trade. Okay. I would break even this trade. Let's see. Can just tap our break even, take our trailing SL and move down. But doesn't matter. This is the plan. This is what we are planning to do. We follow plan strictly. No questions asked. Okay. 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 This thing hurts, man. Just this thing hurts. So if now if it breaks down, I think it would get this. So let's see. If it breaks from here, we would even probably get 1:10. But we are not greedy. Okay, okay. So now this is coming for break even. Okay, 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 okay. Now this is coming to take us. Oi, 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 oi. What a coincidence. What a coincidence, you see. First, it we took an entry here. It just, we were saved by just margins, okay? Then it went down, and we had just missed our target by a margin. Now again, look at this. Okay, so we are out of this trade. Okay, break even. And this would be a longest trade ever in 2020, I guess. That is a 5-hour trade. You need to develop patience, okay, to get this kind of trades. So yeah, copy this. paste this here. We'll again copy link, paste this. Wait, copy link. Okay, this is 0R. Okay, break even. So far we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 3 hours, 3 hours, -1 hour, -1 hour break even. Okay, so wow, wow. If it just hits a target, I would be very happy. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Okay, 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 okay. This has taken the original lesson. So, yeah, I would not be surprised if it takes this, not even this original entry. So, will you sell here? I am not interested. This zone is good. This is respecting. Even though see the candles here, it was very small candles, small candles, small candles. Look at this here. The volatility has increased. Okay, the volatility has increased, but still this is respecting this level. Initially, we thought it is not respecting this level, but look at this respect. Look at this respect. Look at this respect. This is respect, I would say. Okay, so we'll just do. Will you sell or buy? I think it would be better to avoid, because we have just taken an SL and a break-even trade. So I'll avoid and wait for a better opportunity. Okay. So if it breaks here, then come back here, we would be interested to buy. That's it. Nothing else. So yeah, it has broken above, and if it comes back, we would be interested to buy here. At this zone, let's see. Okay, this zone was good, but kind of missed it. Okay, will you buy? I would definitely buy, but at this or at this? Tough question. Tough question. Let's wait for one more candle. Just one more candle. Okay, now we can buy. Just one more candle. Okay, one more candle. One more candle. Okay, so that one more candle saved us an SL. Okay, that waiting for one more candle saved us an SL. So that SL which we had protected, is a plus point for us. Okay, understand the psychology. The SL you protected is far more greater than the trade you missed. Okay, understand this. The SL you protected is far more greater than the trade you missed. Okay, so this has taken this liquidity. Now we'll just wait and watch what it does. Okay, so now you can call this an inducement if it would have given small chop here, but will you call this inducement? Will you buy here? Let me check. यहाँ पे तो हमें कुछ लग नहीं रहा है कि कुछ पेंडिंग लिक्विडिटी है. but it needs to break this. I think I am buying here. Our plan was to buy here at this candle, but we waited for price. Then again it came here, but it didn't take out this high. So then it formed this. I think we can buy here. This volume looks good, as this also looks good. But then what happened? This volume, then what happened? This, but it should have taken this liquidity. That is the only problem. If it would have taken liquidity, I would have bought here. I'll again wait for one more candle. Okay, again wait for one more candle. Again wait for one more candle. Now let's see. So this has taken this liquidity, but not this. So just because it has not taken liquidity here, I'm not buying here. Otherwise, it is good. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. I'm not buying. I would be interested to buy when it comes back again here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. If it comes back again, I'm interested to buy. Okay. Now it seems good. Now it seems good. It seems good. I am buying here. Okay. I am buying here. Just one more, last one more candle. Okay. Just one candle. Okay. I am buying here. It can take this liquidity. Yes. Can take this. I am buying here above this candle. No, wait. Let's wait and watch. Okay, 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 okay. So, okay. What is in 15 minutes is in a range. There's this liquidity, this liquidity. Okay. So, guys, we are not buying here, sadly. We are not buying here because higher authorities have told us not to buy. We are not buying here. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Where is your higher authority? So higher authorities is 15 minutes. What about higher authorities of higher authorities is 1 hour, hourly candle. So hourly candle, they bought here, they waited for this, they accumulated, they again bought. Higher authorities of higher authorities have taken power back. Wow, see how well it has respected this. Look at this. Okay. I just got influenced by this price and I didn't mention didn't saw this, but it has respected very well. Okay, let's oh wow. So now what? Will it respect this? Oh wow. Forget this. Will it respect this? This will definitely respect, I think. Okay. So now will you take entry? Oh, okay. These all are FPGs. what do you want? FPGs, order blocks, different name given by different people. Waiting game is on, guys. Okay, so have you seen one pattern? This was an FPG. Okay, it got missed by 0.5 bits. Point. This was an FPG. It got missed by 1 bit. What do Price wants to tell us? That here sellers. Now, this is good question. This is I have like clarity now. This was an area of interest. So price didn't came here, again went back. Now second time when price is coming back, it has broken this. So if it goes back this way and if it comes to this again for a retest, then we can plan for a short entry. Okay, so now really short here. This is very quick. On a 5 minute it would be a wick. Okay, so this is strong. This is I will not consider. Okay, I would not consider this. I would have considered this if it would have given this, and then this, and then this. Okay, because we would have given 5 to 6 candles of 5 minutes, but this is not convincing. So I would leave. Though it is working very perfectly. Though it has worked perfectly, not perfectly, but still it worked. So what about this? Will it take support from here? Where is the next bias? Next bias is here. So price needs to move way to. What is this? Look at this price and look at this. This is volatility expansion. Look at the candles here and look at the candles here. Oh. So if it comes back again here, I can sell here and tap an entry. But I decided not. So now, will you sell here for short for liquidity of this? Will you sell here for liquidity of this? By looking at price, by looking at this expansion, I fear selling here, but I would not. Just leave it. Now, will you buy here for this target? Will you buy here for this target? I would not. So it respected this, not this. Why? Any particular reason? No reason. There are reasons, but I am not aware about that, and I don't want to confuse myself with this thing. This thing. Okay, this is good. This is manipulation. Will you sell here? I think I would. Okay. Will you sell now? I want tap. I want tap. Okay. So this is not a tap. This is clearly a break of our area zone. So no selling from here. Okay, will you sell from here? If it respects, I would definitely sell from here. If we get a tap. If we get a tap, I would definitely sell. And I would definitely sell if I get a tap. Okay, will you buy from this? I would buy. but not from here, but from not from here also, because they're pending liquidity. Let's see. If it taps here, I would be selling here. I'm going against the herd, but okay, I would sell, yes. Look at the buying here, okay? But still I would sell here. Why would you sell here? When you clearly have a cup and handle, head and shoulder, why would you sell here? I would sell. I would just sell. Why? What is the reason behind your selling? Look at this. It came in the previous premium zone. No, I would sell. But why do you want to sell? Just give me one reason. Because this is clear cup and handle break and it will fail. And other thing is there are no liquidity pending here. Okay, there are no liquidity pending here, so I would sell. And do you see this? This is selling. This is selling. This is selling. So this is their orders being filled dhire dhire. Okay, so now price wants to collapse from here, so I would sell from here. Okay, this is the reason, nothing else. So will you sell? And on this type of a candle, I would sell. Where would your target be? This next 1:2. So 1:2, I want 1:3, so I would give this a rule of 1:3. Looks good. Okay, I am in the trade. I have taken market price. I want collapse from here. Okay, so according to this thing, we would be exiting at 1:1. So where is your 1:1? Your 1:1 is at this level. So price did come at 1:1. So your now your SL is at break even. Okay. Oh my God. You took a break even trade down. You took a break even trade. Break even trade. So now this looks good. Will you buy? Because to move price here would be foolish for these buyers. Okay, so they can accumulate here and on. So again, this was our area zone. It tapped here. This break even trade is hurting me now. Oh, one more tap here and I would be buying. Okay, one more tap here and I would be buying. Okay, so now this is the tap. Will you buy? I would not. You were confident here that if it taps here, I would be buying. Now what happened? Where is your courage? I am not buying yours. Okay, so there's one more tap. Will you buy? Uh, let's see volumes. Volumes looks good. Someone is buying here, someone is selling here. Area is good, but I am not confident. Mental energy has been wasted in this break-even trade. It's a good trade, but let's leave it about that. So now this area of interest has also been broken. Will you buy or sell? I would think of selling here, but not buy. But this looks good. So no man's land. It is. I'm not going to do anything here. I'll just wait and watch. So it did respected this, and yeah, it did respected this. Good. So now it should respect this. Okay. Yeah, it should respect this. I want this tab and then boom. Okay. Will you buy here? I think I would buy here. Okay. I would buy here. There's no liquidity. See, there's no liquidity. I am buying here. Just think twice. Think twice. You are creating trades out of thin air because you missed this, you missed this. Now you are creating trade out of thin air. I would wait. I would not wait. I would actually buy here. Okay. I am buying here. This looks good to me. Only above this candle. Okay. SL below. SL will be. You want? I am targeting this. So SL looks good. I'm targeting this. You can. Okay. This looks good. Okay, so we are in the trade. We are in the trade, and let's see what is the maximum way we can get. We can get something like this. 1:6. 1:6. I'll be sticking to 1:3. Okay. And where is our break even? Our break even is at this. This is our break even. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Now this was not a good trade. Okay, okay, okay. Want to see further. Was it just for ourselves? And this was just for RSL. I want this photo also. Okay, so what date it is? 8th of January. 8th of January, and we have took one SL. So yeah, what do you think? Will the price respect this? Will it respect this? One will respect this. Let's go in 5 minutes. So where do you think price can respect? Price will respect. On a 5 minute, we got this. So first buying was this. Okay, first buying was this. Price came all the way to this. Then second buying was this. Price came all the way to this. So I think it should hold. This level should hold. So we are looking for buys here. Okay. Will you still consider this a buy? I'll not consider this as a buy because it just broke. It is, I would not call this a respect. I want respect. Okay. But on a higher time frame, it is respecting. Okay, 8:30, 4:35. I just want one more candle. So it has respected on a 5 minute. On a 5 minute, it has respected with a huge volume. So what do you think? See, someone has shorted here. He would be exiting here. How many points? 2%. That's good for him. So it is respecting this. Let's see. Is this respect? If it taps here, would be interesting. Okay, so it has not done a tap. It has breached and took this liquidity. It should have not taken this liquidity. But let's see how price reacts. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Price can go all the way up. Now there's a great chance. So I am buying here. Long position. I would be putting 3 points. Okay. and that can be the greatest trade of all. Okay, this is the last trade for today, I think. 25, so 1 is to 8. Now let's play. So according to that plan, if your this thing gets 1 is to 1, you would exit at a break even. Okay, so this was your break even point. So now this is free trade now. I would hold as long as it gets. And one more thing, where is your 1 is to 3? I just want to see. Where is 1 is to 3? Okay, so 1 is to 3 is here. So will you take just quarter of the positions? Oh. Don't hit my break even, please, 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 please. You have a great potential to go up. Please don't take me out. Please take me with you, buddy. Ouch. So now we are break even. All this 1 is to 10 is gone. Okay. All this 1 is to 10 is gone at this. I would have not taken 1 is at 1 is to 3. That is, I'm sure. Okay. That was a good decision, I would say. That was a good decision. Copy image. Zero bar. It was a make or break level. It was make or break level. It has not even respected this. Hmm, 5 minutes. It has a potential to respect this. Price is slowing down. I just want one candle. Okay. I just needed this to be done. So all these buyers will get trapped here. What about in 1 minute? You see. So 1 minute it is respecting this. But I want tap on this. Again, there will be buyers here, buyers here, buyers here. All their SLs are below this. Okay, we are waiting patiently. Okay, 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 okay. What will you do now? I'm looking for a buy because all these buyers are trapped here. Okay, there will be new sellers coming in. Okay, so that is what I would call a max pin zone. So I would go in 1 minute. I'll see for a one candle. Just I need one tap. Okay, this looks good. If it breaks this, I'm good to go in this trade. If this breaks this, I'm good to go in this trade. Okay, one one candle can be, let's see what we get. Oh God, this was a make or break level. And look at what price has done. 0.30% volatility has increased. It has not even respected this. Where price wants to go now? All the buyers are gone. It can come here. It can come at this. Can come at this level. Will you buy? I rather not buy. I am looking for a buy on 1 minute. Okay. If it taps, this will be a tap and entry. Okay, tap entry. This is interesting. This will be tap entry. I will not be even looking for. I just need 1.5 and I need target of this 1:7. Look how good you could get. Okay, 1:7. I just need a tap, nothing else. I needed a tap, buddy. I needed a tap here, but Price decided not to take me with him. That can still give a tap. I am waiting for that tap. It can do this tap and then it can do this as well. But I'm not sure about selling here. I just need buys. Okay, it can tap this and sell to herself. But I'm looking for buys only. I am looking for buys only. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? How many times we have missed this? Break, test, huge respect. And look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 0.28 base points. Okay. This is the second chance. Will you take second chance? And why did price reverse from here? Any solid reason? Solid reason? Not able to find. So let's see if we get entry here. Okay, will you buy? Mm, 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 mm. I would not. I would buy somewhere. I would buy somewhere here, not here. I would have bought here, but not now. Second or third time watching. I would simply buy on the tab. I would not even wait. Where is the next? This thing. 1 is to 20. Well, that is very sweet of you. Okay. Now we are in the trade. Okay. We are in the trade. Let's see. Break even is done. And this is the last trade for today. Okay. Okay. Break even is done, but price has not. We till now we have got around 1 is to 4, I guess. Okay, 1 is to 4 is done. 1 is to 4 is done, guys. But 1 is to 4 is done. Will it break? Will it do a break even? No, man. It's wow. Look at this. We have been saved. We have been saved by just margin. Okay, we are done. Understood. We are done and dusted. What was the need of 1 is to 20 now? I don't know. I just felt appealing. 0 straight. Okay. So it took liquidity of this. I think 10 days is enough. Okay. So 10 days is enough. And for 15 minutes, we would be compiling all those trades we have taken and we'll form a structure out of that. Okay. So backtesting is done. Just So I think I should create a doc, create new backtesting doc. Just create here. Okay. So what is that? We got 13 minutes. Then we'll wrap up this session. So what was the date? It was 2020. 1st January 2020. Okay. And and points SL or TP. And okay. And okay. Links. Link. And yep, that is pretty much it. Okay. So what did you do on first? So we started from here. We didn't got any. We also, I can also put this as a what was the day. So I want this format to be what's this format date, where's date. Okay. So now we didn't got any trade on 1st Jan, 2nd Jan. We got a trade on 4th of 4th. How come you got a trade on Saturday? 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 Okay, Friday. It is Friday. Next day is Monday. Okay, so you got a trade on 4th of January. You would consider it as a third Friday on 3rd of January. Okay, so you buy. Okay, that was a TP of 3 hour link to this is where is the link? This is the link. Okay, you didn't got the link, so you should whose link is this? Share. Okay. Where's this? Copy link or copy link. V. Okay. Then next trade is at 6th of January. That is short. Okay. That we got TP 3 points. Okay. Alright. Then we can also consider this. Okay. Then we have a trade on 6 again. That is breaking, if I'm not wrong. Wait. 3, and then we are directly at 6. We don't have trade on 4. That is on 6th. Where is the link? Where's the link? Where is the link for this trade? We don't have a link for this trade as well. I think we had. Seriously, you don't have a link for this trade as well? We have this. Why -1? This is the second trade. Okay. Again, then third trade. Third trade is on 6th of January only. Sell, break even, 0. Oh, this is TP. So 3, 3, and this one is -1. So how come it is -1? This is not -1. This is break even. Okay. This is break even. So let me check how many trades I've taken. 1, 2, 3. Third one is break even. So can I get the photo of this? Is this the trade? No. So you have not collected the photo. Is this the photo? Where is this trade? Yeah. So this was clearly a break-even trade. This was a break-even trade. Then we took this trade again on 6th. Yes. So you took 3 trades. That to sell. You got a sell -1, and this is your. Okay, we'll check. This was TP, this was SL. Now again this. After that, we took trade on 7th of January. And that was sell. That was SL. And -1. Okay. Do we have a photo? Okay. Then we took a trade on 7th of January again. Sell. And this is break even 0. What's this? Break even. Okay. And then we took a trade on 8th. That was break even 8. That was again sell, break even. Then we took a trade on 8 again. That was buy. That was SL -1. Then we took a trade on again 8. It was buy. That was break even. Break even, and then it hit. But it did give us 1:3. I don't know what I was thinking. Four hour trade. Then we have a trade. We missed this trade. And then we have again, isn't it a 1:3? Yes, it is. How much was that? It was 1:4. Oh, okay, so we are up 3 hours. Interesting. You took almost how many trades? 10 trades. Okay, so I think we'll wrap this up. I should have taken for at least 30 days, but that is it. Okay, that it that is it. Let's stop this now. Stop recording.